Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Alright, I'm going to do another straight pour today with my new favorite color, Cadmium Red Deep Hue, and my other favorite color, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. We're all cadmium today. I want to see if I get those nice tight round yellow cells with this combo. So the first thing I want to do is I want to cover up my edges. I just want to make sure I have good coverage. Okay, my edges are covered. I do that because in a straight pour, the paint is pretty thin and sometimes it has a hard time sticking to the edges. These paints are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and thinned with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. Just gonna lay down a base coat here. Okie dokie. Put some paint in a cup. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. That would be about 7 ounces of paint. I will be using less than that, as I want this to stretch. Okay, I have about 5 ounces in there. I'm just popping bubbles right here. There is a gnat hovering above this painting. I don't like it. Always recentering the paint before changing direction. You might be yelling at me for dumping that off, but I need to lose some of this. And I need to stretch. Must stretch the paint. Okay, so here it is. It's mostly dry. There's a spot you can see there in the center that's still wet. So I do get my cells, but they're not the tight yellow ones like I get when I use the dioxazine purple. That color combo gives me a very specific kind of cell. You know, so more experimenting is in order. Yay. Love the experimenting. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my website where I do have paintings and music for sale. Go make some art on Facebook. That's our group. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there's always someone there who is happy to help. My Amazon store. If you enter through the store, anything that you purchase off of the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of. So it's a way to help a sister out, and it doesn't cost you an extra penny. It is at no cost to you. And what am I forgetting? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Okay. Oh, my PayPal tip jar. Oh, golly gee willikers. If you feel so inclined to leave a tip, it is always appreciated. And that's it for me. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Go make some art.